लग जाएगा। नेक्स्ट आपको ऐसे ही मिलेगा। तो याद रख के सब दिन डालना आपने अटेंडेंस। ओके। ये जो अटेंडेंस होता है, जैसे कि आपको पता होगा, डे का 12 लाइक 11:30 को डाल देना तो अच्छी बात है, एक डे काउंट हो जाएगा। अगर आप 12 बजे डालते, 12 बजे या 12:10 को, तो नेक्स्ट डे में काउंट होगा। कविता मैम, आप कुछ पूछ रही थी? हेलो कविता मैम।
Yes, sir.
आप कुछ पूछ रही थी मुझे?
No, sir.
ओके, ठीक है,
सर कुछ भी
थैंक्स।
नहीं पूछा मैंने।
ओके ओके। मैंने यार लाइक जब मीटिंग स्टार्ट किया तो आपका आवाज़ आई थी, तो इसलिए मैं पूछा। Yeah, guys. So, good evening, everyone. So, let's start the session. Today, we are discussing like font and italic. I already like we are getting some problem inside the issue in coding part yesterday. I will show you today how it's work. So, I will designing this one. The string is welcome. Have you? Yeah, I will not share the screen. Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. So, I will designing that one. It's like string. Welcome to India. It's like document dot write. Inside that, I will write the whichever string I will assign that particular content. Okay. So after that, I want to using that font color yellow and italic. I using inside that, and font three property I am using inside that. Okay. I will show you that one. This is the welcome to India. Okay. If I change the color, it's like blue, and font size if I change as 10. Okay. If I change it's like 4. Okay, this is the size. So by using like italic, font size, and font color, and like we have soft like subscript and superscript we are there, and we have, I already told you that one, like a bold, and we have other one. Okay, so how can we use that in the form of if you want to designing a string in the blue color or like red color and whatever, and if you require any font size and italic form or bold form, whatever. Okay, so next we are discussing boolean type. What is boolean, and what is the boolean value? So you have to remember, in the previous lesson I will told you that one, like what is that, it's compare string, compare string, we are there in that. I will write a condition inside that. Okay, it's like if the result is like equal to true, then it will be as like even you can like text inside that, password verified. If not, it's like password not verified. Whatever you have to write inside that. Okay. So today I will discuss boolean type. What is boolean? So basically, Boolean type handle decision making programming. It's like a true or like false. Okay. So basically, in JavaScript, true value and false value. In that, like true value is a one, in the boolean, and the false value counted is 0. I will show you that one example. If I assigning a variable inside A is my variable name. If I assigning a true value, it's true value, okay, and variable is B is like if I write like false value inside that, and I will add by using another variable, it's C, okay, like A plus B. Then I want to print the C, whatever the value inside that document dot write, and we have A plus B. By using like backtick we can do that, uh, inside A, and we can do that form. It's like in backtick form, okay. In that you have to write plus sign to add, we have done that one, uh, like A plus B. If I want to print C, then I have to write, okay. Have you heard that one is there? Why one? Like true value is like one, and false value is 0. If I using true inside that, okay, it will be 2, okay. So it counted true value is a 2. You have to remember these things. And false, if I write both false, it will be 0, okay. These are the boolean type we have in our javascript, okay. So next we are discussing undefined. What is undefined? And null type. What is null and undefined? So basically, undefined is a type given by the variable whose value is not unknown. Means you don't know that the value, particular value. So if I return inside that variable a, I will not assigning any value, but I want to print the value a. Document inside I want to print a. Idea of that one, it's undefined because I will not assigning any particular value inside that. That's why it's an undefining value. Okay, so I will show you example with how like undefined work. Okay, if I write variable x and if x equal undefined, is the if else condition I will write inside that. Okay, if x equal undefined, it will print document dot write. Inside you have to write a message like x value is not defined. Okay, else condition I will write that one. If condition is will be false, if the condition will be false, first condition, then it goes to the second condition and it will print x and this value. X equal its value. You have to write inside its value. It's like x. Okay, let's see. X is undefined. Okay. If I write something it's inside the value, it's 5. It's 5. If I want to write a string, but I'm not assigning any string inside that, is x equal, okay, it will count the space as a value, okay. So this is the undefined type. So one question is that what is the difference between undefined and non-defined? We have undefined and not defined. We have undefined and not defined. Defined. Okay. So what is the non-defined and undefined? So not defined is a reference error turn when you are trying to use a variable. This is not declared. Okay, but undefined is a type written when you variable defined but not configured with a value. Means you have to declare a variable inside that, but you don't have to like assigning a particular value inside that. If I remove that one, not print anything. If I go inspect, let's see what happens. X is not defined. Have you observed that one? What is the error we are getting inside that? X is not defined. If I write another one, I will remove that one, and I want to print X inside that, or like something A or B or whatever I need. I want to print, but still now I will not assigning like a particular value. I'm not declaring the particular variable inside that. So I want to print something that value. But have you heard that one? X is not defined. Wait, it's I will write A. I think. Yeah, A. Wait. It will be coming A. Yeah, A is not defined. Have you observed that one? Inside that we have A is not defined. We have source file A is not defined. Okay, in that. Okay, so this is the difference between not defined and undefined. You have to remember this thing because this is a concept. Maybe anyone asking like what is the non-defined and the undefined. Okay, so next we have null and empty. What is the null and empty? So if a variable is declared and value not defined, so then it will compile time error. What is the getting you are that inside that? It's a different thing. Okay. So what is the null? We have to discuss. I will give you example with that one. You have to understand better. I hope you understand what is the undefined and not defined, and also Boolean type. So I will give you example with null value. Okay. Wait. I will write a function inside that. It's function. Inside the function, I write a like function name. It's my null is a function. I will write inside that. Wait, what is the error? I'm getting inside that function fun shitty. Yeah, function null. What is the error? Identify expected knowledge reserve word. Okay, I will use another one. It's the nl. Okay, and nl is my function. So I need to be call that function in the last part. Call the function, whatever I value I will assign inside that. When I call that function, it will be so big. Okay, so let's see. I need a variable. It's like username. Username is my variable. Inside that, if you want to write in camel case, you can. You okay? It's my camel case later. Inside that, I will write a prompt. It will print a message like please enter your name. Please enter your name. Okay. So this one is capital letter. Okay. Wait. So I will write a condition inside that if the username username equal null. If you not write anything inside that, it's a null. Then I want to print document dot write document dot write. Inside I will give that any of the particular prompt cancel. If you cancel something, it's prompt or cancel. I will write a cancel. Okay, cancel. I will write inside that. I will write another else else if username. Inside that I will write a condition. Username is equal null. It's not defining any of the value. I will assign not assigning that. Okay, not right. If that one, I need to print something message inside that. It's document dot write. It's like name cannot be empty. Okay, it's a multiple condition. Okay, like we have if else if, and if you want to another else if you can, but I don't need that one. I will use else one. This is my last one. So last condition is that if you are entering something value inside that, if I want to print that particular value, whatever you like write inside the prompt, this box. Okay, so right next I will using that tactic inside that, and username inside I will write the value. What are the value you are using inside that user name? Okay, you have whatever you are entering inside the prompt, it will be assigning to the username, and it goes to the first condition. If that username is null, you have not defining anything, so it will be the cancel. If you cancel that one, if you write anything, it will print third one, means your name whatever you have to enter. If the second one condition is if you are empty box, you have to not nothing write inside that, it will be print name cannot be empty. Okay, this is the condition. I will write inside that. Let's see. Okay, first one is please enter your name. If I cancel that one, cancel, I do observe that one. If I refresh that one and I'm not entering, click OK, then name cannot be empty. Okay, and if I refresh that one, if I write something, it's like the name I'll write Johan. Okay, Johan. What is the it is like okay, Johan Peter. Okay, Johan Peter. Username is John Peter. Okay, I got that. This is the null value. We are using that one inside any of the particular value. If you writing any condition, if you using inside any of that function, class, whatever you require, in that situation you can use. What is the null value? I hope you understand. Okay. So this is the if else condition. I need to be discussed later. What is if else condition and if else condition? We have switch all these things we are discussing later. Okay, no need to confuse in that. So if you any doubt regarding like null, you can ask me in the chat box. Okay. Okay. So yeah, finish that primitive type. Like I already told you that one we are divided data type into two parts. It's primitive data type and non-primitive data type. So we are finishing that primitive data type. We have on like more. It's number, string, boolean, undefining. In the number we have discussed like sign integer, unsigned integer, floating point, double decimal exponent, hexadecimal, octal, binary, whatever we are discussing inside that. Okay, string inside that we are it's double quotation, single quotation, backtick inside that, and how we extract the string from the particular sentence, or like if you want a particular character you want to extract from that particular string, then you can also by using chariot. And we have soft string we are learning in the previous session, and we have slice, and we have soft str we are done. Okay, and how to compare the two string inside that, how to match a particular pattern, we are discussing that one. Okay, if any doubt you can ask me. Then we have to go non-primitive type. What is non-primitive type? I already told you that one. It's a primitive type. A primitive type data type is a immutable type. Okay. So what is immutable type? I already told you that one, but I will repeat again because some intents are not there in that meet. Okay. So immutable means it as age of the situation and a state, it not change according to that. Okay, this is immutable. A mutable type means it change according to the situation and state. This is a mutable data type. Okay, so in the non-primitive data type, we have to study that one: array, object, and regular expression. I already told you the regular expression. I have to told you that one, like array and object. What is array and what is object? Okay, so first one we have to discuss array. Okay, so what is array? Array is a computer programming used to reduce the overhead and complexity, because in the array we have store the many value inside that. It's like if you want to store like a list of item inside that, you can store. Okay, so we are reduced if I want to like assigning a b c d different value, I will assigning the different string inside that. But I don't want by using that array, like using array we can assigning that more than two string inside that, okay, or value inside that, whatever. So array can use, store, and handle various type of value. Array size can change dynamically. If I am using a particular variable inside that, I want to change the value. If I return like something numerical value inside that, it's 10, 20, 24, whatever I return inside that, it's not taking. It will be taking a one number. Okay. So that's why I need a what is that? Dynamically, it will be changed according to my requirement. It will be changed the size of the particular memory. Okay. What are the value we are storing in that? This will be stored in the memory. So whenever I require, it will be changed dynamical. Whatever I like store the value. Okay. So this is the array size changed dynamical. Array introduced in computer programming to reduce the overhead and complexity in that JavaScript. Okay, and array I already told you that one. So we are discussing how to configure an array in JavaScript, like declaration array, initialization array, rendering array. How we can do that? So what is declaration? What is initialization? What is rendering? You know what all these things. So how we can declare a array inside that by using meta character. We are using meta character to declaring the particular array. Okay. So how can you access by the array? We can do that one also. We can we can add something inside that. We can delete something the value from that particular array. We can do that also. I will tell you one by one. Before that, I will tell you how like value stored in that memory in array. Okay, I will open the pane. Then I will show. Okay, so inside that I will create a this one is memory location. This is a memory location. Okay, so inside that I need. This is my first one. This is my second one memory location. This is the first one memory location. And I need second one. It's third one. Third part. It's fourth part. I will divide the fourth part. Okay. Dynamically it will be changed according to that. Okay. So if you imagine that one, I will write the product name inside that. Whatever product we have, I will designing. Imagine you have to imagine that one. I will designing a shopping website. I need like various product inside that, like footwear, like fashion, and we have other like product. Okay, so if I write product products, okay, this is my product. So inside that, if I assigning like the value, so I need to be write footwear like shirt or like jeans, whatever you have to write, trouser, whatever. Okay? If I using product inside, we have mobile. If I write mobile, laptop, okay, okay, and we have, if you write one like TV and so whatever is the value, okay. And what is the index number? It will start from zero. Have to remember these things. This will start from zero index. Is the zero index? Wait, zero. This is one index. This is two index. This is three index. It will be according to the, like three, four, five. It will continue that. Okay. This is the property. What is the property? It's like a shoe, mobile, laptop. This is the property. Okay. I will mark that one so you have to understand better. Or index number you have to call it property. Property name. Okay. And inside like every property name have a location number. It's index number. Okay. And we have, if I write like assigning one by one, if you want to assigning the like by using array, we have we can like declare a array using meta character and constructor here. Okay, how we can like two type here, I will do in that one. So one thing we are initialize a array. It's like its value. This is my name of that val, what is that array. Okay, inside I need to be write meta character. Inside that, by using comma, I will write anything. Okay, and another one, how this is the meta character. By using meta character, we can initialize that one. By using constructor, we can do that also. So what is constructor? We are like issue later, and we have to go through details in that. So it's values and new array. So this one is that constructor. By using constructor, we can do that, and by using like what is that? It's like a meta character. Okay, we can do that. So if I give an example in that, if you want to write variable products inside, I will write in the meta character. If I write mobile, I will write inside the string. This is a string. Okay, mobile, laptop, TV. So okay, done. So by using index number, we can assigning that one also. Let's say I will show you that one. You have, if you want to declare, and after that you want to assigning the particular value products, and inside I will give empty meta character. Inside one by one I want to assign like it's my products. So first one is one or like zero, whatever you need. If I assigning the one like mobile, okay, and products, it's like three you want to, you have two, anything you can write. And when you like where you want to store that particular value, that time. If I using laptop, and if you want to store a numerical value inside that, you can give one, and I need to write a numerical value is 20. Okay, done. So by using like how we can as a like declare and assigning or initializing particular array, or in doubt you can ask me. Then we have to go through how we can access the value and print the value. Okay. Then we have to discuss how to extract the by deleting a particular by using index number, or like I want to insert a particular like property inside the array. We can do that also. Okay. So I need to go to practically. I will use an another file. Okay. But HTML inside I have write, and that one is array. Okay. So next I need to write the JavaScript one, like script inside the, you have to write the main type text JavaScript. Okay. And next one I need to be write the like whatever variable, or like inside if I write, what is that? It's like mm, electronics. Okay. So next mobile TV. Next we have to write like mobile TV, and we have what we got, a laptop or like desktop, whatever you need, you have to write inside that. Okay. Document dot write inside that. If I access the electronics, let's see how it's print. Open that one in that live. Okay, it will print like by the comma. Okay, because I want to print one by one. If I need only particular value, then I need to be assigning 0, 1, whatever I need. Okay, mobile is there. If I want like laptop, then I need to be write 2 inside that. It's an index number. Okay, so by using that, we can do that also. And we have another way by using constructor, we can do that, like variable electronics new array inside its mobile laptop. It's like TV, or if I write, or what is that? Electronics device, we have iron. Okay. Document dot write inside I need to write if I using another name, it's better. Elects. Okay, you observe that one. This one is that there. Okay, so by using constructor, we can like initializing array, or we can access the particular value inside that. If I need, I want to print that one by using like iron. It's like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Okay, iron is there. Okay, I hope you understand how we can do that, like array. Okay, any doubt in that you can ask me. Then we have to go through that one. Like we have reading a value or searching a value or inserting, deleting, replacing. We have to learn these things. Okay.
सर,
Yeah.
गेट एलिमेंट बाय आईडी का यूज करके हर एक अरे के हर एक एलिमेंट को प्रिंट करना है अलग अलग लाइन में.
अलग अलग लाइन में अगर प्रिंट करना है तो आप फॉर लूप का यूज कर सकते हो। ओके, मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगा कैसे हम जैसे कि अलग अलग लाइन में प्रिंट। अगर देखो यहाँ पे, अगर आपको बहुत सारा प्रोडक्ट का नेम अगर आपको प्रिंट करना है लाइन बाय लाइन, तो आप फॉर लूप यूज करो। यहाँ पे जितना आइटम है आपका प्रिंट हो जाएगा। ओके,
ओके सर.
तो ये फॉर लूप यूज करके हम कर सकते हैं। ओके, ये जैसे कि इशू नहीं है, क्योंकि फॉर लूप यूज करके हम इनिशियल वैल्यू देंगे। इन जो फाइनल वैल्यू होगा इसका, जैसे कि जो वेरिएबल यूज करेंगे उसके डॉट लेंथ देंगे, जो जिस तक जैसे जो फाइनल वैल्यू होगा उस तक वो काउंट करके हमारा जैसे कि लाइन बाय लाइन वो प्रिंट कर देगा। मैं आपको बोलूंगा ये वाला बस। ओके, नेक्स्ट वी आर डिस्कसिंग हाउ टू सर्चिंग ए array or like inserting a array. So, how to like manipulate? We are already done that, like string manipulation, and we are discussing like array manipulation. How we are manipulate the array. Okay. So basically, I will discuss with you two string, but in that like array it will be using that. Okay, two string or to use that to print that array. Okay, I will show you that one. Document dot write. We have electronics dot toString will print fine. Okay, so toString basically used to print the array. Next we have join. If you want to join a particular like symbol in between that particular in between that like value, then we can do that. So how join? You have to write inside. If you write a symbol, a dot symbol, or like arrow symbols, whatever you need, you have to write inside that. Okay, it will print fine. If you want to use any of that particularly, so we can do that also. Okay, so this is the string manipulation, and we have other like map option is there. By using function we can like print all these things line by line. How? Let's see. If you want to print in the list items like on our list or list like it's like what is that on yeah, order list and on order list. Yeah, I will show you that one. How can we print the line by line like by using list item. Let's see. Function inside I need a function name. If I write function name, what is, yeah, array. If I using this is okay, I will use R1. R1 is my function name. Inside I need to recall my function. In the last part, it's like R1. Okay, done. So I need to be like initialize a particular array inside that it's variable, and inside if I write category, categories inside if I write like fashion, footwear, footwear. Next I need fashion already done, footwear fashion, and we have electronics also there. Okay, done. So by using by using map we can do that. I will show that. Category. So category dot map. I need a function. Wait. Value of that. Like what are the value fraction? It's like footer whatever. So it's a inside that. I will write the function, and this is the. I need to write close that function to the last. I think. Wait. That's that thing. It's like it's fine now. Okay. So I want to print document dot write inside that. We use backtick li will access the particular value one by one value. What is that? I will teach you like wait a minute. I will design that one, then I will show you. It's fine. Okay. So what is the function and all these things? So map we are using for like you can call it like iteration, because in that for loop and while loop we had done that one like one by one, like the value will be counted and it will print it. Okay, so basically we are map we are using for one by one like for like iteration, and inside that we are written a function. Okay, in that function if you write values or like whatever, if I write categories or whatever you need you have to write, not a like value. I think if I write category it will print fine. Okay, so the function I will write a value inside that. That particular value I will access the particular by using document dot write. I want to print something. Okay, so by using that we can do that. Okay, I hope you understand how like map function we are using on that array. So what is map function? It returns all element by using back function. Okay, this is dynamically handle the value, means one by if I add like a value inside that, it will be dynamically at the particular value. It's like if I add get it, it's dynamically add the value and it will be counted as well as required. Okay, basically if you using like for loop, then you have to write initial and conditional and increment decrement, all you need to write inside that. But in the map function we don't write anything, it will be counted as a 1 2 3 all these things by automatically because it's a function. Okay, so which perform the like iteration over all element and returns them dynamically, means 0 1 2 3 it will be counted dynamically. Okay, so basically in that higher level we are using a map function to read the value, and if you want to print the particular value in that. Okay, I hope you understand. It's like how we are initializing a particular array and declare a array, or like rendering a array particular value inside that. one by one, or like what is how to print the by using toString, and what is make function. By without using like iteration, we can do that. And in the iteration, by using like initial value, and we are given the condition like it will be started from the particularly it's 0, and I want to print that particular value like 1 2 3, or like it's minimum condition. If I write like initial value is 0, if I write like I equal to 0 inside that, and it's like I will be my variable inside that, so I will less than or equal to or greater than equal to that particular value, it will print that time, that much time. So it will print as much as required. Okay, so basically map function is also called as a like iteration. I already told you that. Okay, if any doubt in the make function, you can ask me, and any other doubt like that other part, you can ask me. I will teach you in that tomorrow session what is filter and what is find, and what is like size and for loop, while loop, do loop, and what is for up and for in. We have like in the JavaScript we have for up, for in to read a property and read a value also. Okay, I will tell you that one. Next we have to go like how we can inserting a particular value in between that. If you require like if you want to print that book in between the fashion and footwear, we can do that also. Okay, if you want to delete the footwear, instead of that you want to write a particular value, it's book inside that, so we can do that also. Okay, if you want to delete the electronics, and the after that you want to add something like particular value, it's like book, or like any of that particular item or like category, so you can do that also. Okay, no need to worry about that. So by using all these things, we can read how we like delete and insert all this. We are discussing tomorrow's session. Any doubt regarding, you can ask me. I will give you all like 5 minutes. अंतिमा में आपको कुछ डाउट है, बानू मैम?
नहीं सर, अभी नहीं है।
या बानू मैम, आपका कुछ डाउट है? ओके, अदर वन लाइक कौन और पूछता है मुझे, कविता मैम एंड लाइक हमारा अजय, ये विजय ना क्या था उनका नेम, वो तो नहीं है यहाँ पे आई थिंक। या प्रकाश सर, कुछ डाउट है? या सोनाली मैम इज प्रेजेंट आई थिंक। या सोनाली मैम, आर यू देयर? आई थिंक मीटिंग में नहीं हो, बाहर में हो। ओके, प्रतीक्षा मैम, आर यू देयर?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
ओके, हैव यू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल these things?
Yes, sir. Yes, I got all the things.
Okay, great.
Thank you, sir.
Lie here all here, and we have Naga Divya ma'am, Divya Sri ma'am. Have you understand all these things? Hello Divya Sri ma'am, are you there? Okay. Uma Maheshwari ma'am. Hello Uma Maheshwari. Can you hear me? Yeah. Purav, can you hear me? Purav ma'am.
Yes, sir. No doubt, sir.
Okay, okay, great. Sir, code. Also, you will send tomorrow. Yeah, I already said in that 10 o'clock, I think 10 p.m. I will send all this like coding tomorrow. Yesterday, like I will send you like tomorrow, like today coding also. Okay, don't worry. और कौन रह गया यहाँ पे? Yeah. Bharati ma'am and like Akanksha Tiwari ma'am. Akshin, I think. Okay, guys, give your attendance in that chat box. Then you can. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Bye.